Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. Just look how this beautiful pocket, I'm gonna give you all the tips, the tricks, easy steps, well explained. I'm gonna give you all the details that you need in the simplest way to be able to achieve this beautiful pocket. It is what it is. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, like and share, and comment and click on notification bell so that you're never gonna miss any of my tutorial. It is what it is. So let's get started. You need to get your facing. You can see I put the facing there. The length is 16 inches by 70 inches. 16 inches by 70 inches. I'm going to fold this one like this. Put the facing or a stiff. In Africa we call it stiff. You need to get two of this one. Your desire. This is 4 inches. These two. As you can see, this is 4 inches. By the same length width. This is 5 inches with the same width. 7 inches or 8 inches. You need a small white, which is 2 by 2 inches. It's there, you can see it's there over there. I should have shown you, see. So I divide this one by 2. I'm gonna make my pocket 4.5. 4.5. You can make yours 5. You can make 4. 4.5 is okay. So I'm making it 4.5, as you can see. I'll come to this side and I'm going to measure 0.2. That is 0.2 over there as well. I'll measure 7/8 over here. It's almost 1 inch. 7/8. 1 inch it will become very big. 7/8 is so normal, it's okay. So that's 7/8. I'll mark 7/8 and I'm going to mark 7/8 over here as well. Then I'm going to draw my point. I'm going to draw a straight line to meet the points. It is what it is. So you just have to let the facing face each other. The right side of the fabric and the right side of pocket face each other. You measure like 7 inches from the shoulder, or maybe you look at the curve of the armhole. Where exactly the curve normally form. Then you just have to put your pocket over there. Pocket shouldn't have to be below your armhole. Pocket should be just above the curve of your armhole. But when you join your shoulder, you're supposed to measure like 9 inches. So you can see I'm just sewing around it. I'm sewing around it. When you get to this point, just don't step on your machine. Just use your hand. Just go by 1 step, 2 steps. Just use your hand. And anytime that you have a small angle, just use your hand to do it. Don't step on the machine foot too, otherwise you won't get the right angle that you want. So you just have to cut the middle. Sorry for the where my camera was looking. So you just have to cut in the middle and just make a curve it at the tip. The same way we're gonna do it here. Whatever you do this angle, you do the same thing to the other angle. Make a note. Make sure you get to the point of it. Then you flip everything to the wrong side. You flip everything to the wrong side. What it needs right now is the iron. You can see this one, you can just cut 2 by 2. Have you seen the way I cut it? The way so then you make a notch at that angle, then you flip everything over. Have you seen it? This is the only thing that you need here. So let's get to the sewing to this iron place. Just put a heat on it, you know. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like and share and comment. I'll post videos every Sundays and sometimes on Mondays if I couldn't able to post it on Sundays. You know, you fold this one to 2 like that and you iron. You can measure this one 2 inches by 2 inches or 3 inches by 3 inches. What you gotta do is just fold it 2 like this. Then you iron this one 2. Then you just have to fold this one 2 like this, just like that. So let's go. Because there's a line on it, I want the lines to match each other. You know, the fabric wasn't the original fabric, so the lines are different. There'll be a slight curve. But when there's a lines, when I deal with the lines, you're supposed to let the lines match each other. That's the professional work done. The lines are supposed to match each other. So if you have a pin with your needle and thread, you can use your hand and do it. So I'm just using my sewing machine to just join it together. Don't make double stitch if you are doing this. Right? Don't make double stitch because we're gonna remove the thread from it again. So I just want to hold it down. I'm doing this because I'm dealing with lines, you know, there's a lines there, so that's why the reason why I'm doing this, because I don't want the line to, you know, shift to other side, you know, to become nice. So that's why I just have to join it this way to hold it down for me. So after you just have to put this one this way, just like that. Have you seen? Very, very simple. You put it this way. Then you sew on top to attach it to it. You do the same thing to the other side. Before you do that, make sure you measure it. You go and put it on the pocket side and check if everything is right before you do it. You know, I'm dealing with the measurement, so I know what I'm doing. So it is what it is. So when you're done with this, you know, the pocket has formed. You know, you just have to take the pocket and just put it on it. If you are new to this channel, please do well and subscribe, like, comment, smash the like button. You know, very, very simple and easy. You can see how the pocket is already being formed. You can see it's very, very simple and easy, beautiful. Come on, guys, keep on, smash the like button. If you have not subscribed yet, do well and subscribe. So I'm going to open this part. You know the small angle that was left, you're going to hold it down. Then we're going to sew on that small angle. We are going around it, or just have to go around it. This part is secure now. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. When you are doing, you have to make sure you are checking the pocket if the pocket lies perfectly where you want it before you secure those edges. You can see both sides of edges have been secure. So we're going to sew on top, you know. You're going to sew on top like that. You can see where I'm sewing, and I'm going around it again. Voila, the pocket has been, it is what it is. So do well and subscribe, like and share, comment, and click on notification bell. If you have question, feel free to ask question. If you want to send me some picture, if you have something that you want us to, you want me to teach you how to do it. If you want me to, if you have anything, come on, just link it up and let's do what we can do. So you're gonna fold this part like this, then we score that part up. Please subscribe, like and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. So now obviously I'm just joining it, and I'm gonna sew around it all again. You measure the pocket 6 inches, or if you want to make it 6.5, or make it 5 inches or 5.5. With that, you just have to trim the unnecessary part off, chop them off. If you have this one, you are saved. If you don't have it, still you are still saved. This one is optional. You can just use it, or you can just have to leave it that way if you don't have it. But this one is hold it down. When you iron it, it hold. I'm gonna put it there for you to see. Please subscribe, like and share, comment, click on the notification bell, give me a thumbs up. If you're feeling it, you're loving it, you just support the movement and we keep moving it. It is what it is. Morai FC. Thank you for enjoying it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking it. Thank you for everything. So it is what it is. We're done. Peace, blessings be upon you all. It's Morai FC. It is what it is. So remember, I'm removing the thread that we joined. I'm just taking off the thread. And, much love, you guys. Much love. Much love. Much love, much love, much love, much love, much love. It is what it is. Ouch. Peace, respect.